Hi and welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to apply these Jewel Fantasy press-on nails. If you guys haven't worn press-on before, I highly recommend for you guys to give it a try because it's amazing. For $6 to $7 you can get a brand new beautiful set like this and it'll last you for 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I picked up two sets. One was a burgundy pink blush with some really beautiful jewel stone, and then also a gray version with lots of rhinestone. Typically in the box you would have got some matte, some sparkly one with diamond, just stone, and some gold. Also, it actually comes with a couple pieces of gold in the kit. I'm deciding not to use any of the gold. I'm gonna use that on a different set. So for today I decided that I'm gonna do this style. So what's great about the Jewel Fantasy set is that it gives you 3 options how to wear it. You can either wear it all matte like this one. You could wear it with a lot of rhinestone like the one I'm wearing for this weekend's party. Or you could wear it with some gold, some shimmer, some rhinestone. So that's why I think this is so much fun for the holidays and for party events, because it gives you multiple style. Now, as you can see between the two, one is very pointed and one is rounded a little bit, and I'm gonna go with rounded because I have children and the party event. I'll probably wear this on a girls' night out. So what I've done already is taken it out of the box so that I can size it to fit my finger. I've already prepped my nails, and when I say prep my nails, what I mean by that is trim it to the shortest length that you're comfortable with. And then also, I lightly buff off any old press-on glue that I had on my nails. Once I'm done with that, I rinse my hand really, really well. And then the last part, before I even get to the press-on, I actually dehydrated my nail bed with some alcohol. All you're gonna do is just get your cheapest alcohol at the grocery store. It's like $1. Spray it on or put it in a cotton ball. And if you want a more in-depth, I'll link a video step-by-step on how to do that. You'll want to purchase one of these file, because the one that's in the kit is so tiny. It's great for your purse to touch up if it, you know, if the press-on actually pops off at a party or at work. But typically investing in one of this will go a long way. You'll also need a buffer for at the end when you're all done. Also, cuticle clipper is going to be your best friend when you're wearing press-on, and a cuticle pusher. Now, I've done this so often that I actually just use the nail to push the cuticle back, but one of these are like $1 at the store, so they're really simple, and all you're gonna do is, before you wash your hand or prep your press-on, you're just gonna push your cuticle back so that when you put your press-on, it's gonna sit on really beautiful. So now let's get started. And the way you size your nails, if this is your first time wearing press-on, is take the nail bed, take the press-on, put it on your nail bed, and if it fits perfectly, flip it upside down, and the number at the tip of the nails is gonna be the numbers that fits your nail bed, and you can match it for the other hands. And what's great about it, the number also tells you that that's facing forward, and then this part is going to your cuticle. You would never put the one that has the number printed on there this way. On one like this, it's really easy to tell because it would never fit your nail bed. But if it was like a square version, sometimes it could be really hard. And the way to determine that is just flip it. Wherever the number is always gonna be facing forward. Okay, so now that I've already prepped all my nail bed, I'm gonna glue it. I'm gonna wear this baby as long as it'll allow me to wear it, and then we'll see if this will actually stay on to my test, which is a minimum of 3 weeks. One thing I forgot to mention, when you're getting your kit out of the box, this set, I got it in the medium length because that's the only one I could find at the store. It also comes with 30 piece. That's why it gives you a chance to really mix and match. 6 jewels nail, it tells you on the box. Inside, you get these little kits that come with it, which is your little file and your cuticle pusher. Now, if you have tiny hands, this will work just fine, but I still recommend to buy the kit because buy the other file because it's just so much more comfortable and easier to work with. So I'm just gonna get my glue. I love to use the glue that comes in the kit. This glue has never failed me, I'm telling you, never. It's a little pain in the ass to open, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. So the way I apply my press-on is really simple. I literally put 1 drop. Do not put on the press-on because when I apply it onto my nails, sometimes it could spill over to my skin or my cuticle, and it could be really, really painful. So I just like to give it 1 drop, and sometimes on the thumb, because it's a little bit bigger, I'll add even like just a light squeeze. Stay where the cuticle line is. Don't put too much because when you press on it, the glue will spread out a little bit, and you never want the glue all over your cuticle. Now, when I get the press on, I lightly just push the skin back or the cuticle back. And once I have it, I do like to always do it with my nail facing forward so that you can see if it's straight or not. And it should just fit snugly underneath there. And if it looks straight, then I'll apply pressure. And when you apply pressure, you want to just roll it back and forth so the glue spread evenly. After I do the top, I do the middle. And then I just squeeze the side and make sure you get the glue and the air bubble to really just push the air bubble out is the goal. Just like that. So very simple, and I could tell that it looks perfectly straight. And then at the end, what you're gonna do is take that buffer that I recommend to you that doesn't come with the kit. They're about 50 cents to $1 based on where you can find them. And you're lightly just gonna buff right here out because sometimes there's a little like snag right here from when they made the press-on. I think there's a little residue from the manufacturer. And sometimes even if you feel it on your skin and you feel like it's a little too rough, use the softest side of the buffer and just lightly go around it. Don't ruin the shape. You're just literally going light to smooth it out. So when you're doing makeup or, you know, picking up your kids or doing anything, it's not gonna snag or catch onto your face. So I could tell already just from the glue that it's secure on really tight. So again, I'm gonna do it one more nails, and you could kind of see after the alcohol dried out, you can see where I lightly file it. And the reason why I file it is to give it a really nice grip. Again, one good drop. I use the glue and I'm just gonna spread it. From where the cuticle is, you're just gonna leave a little bit. Now I like this one, so I'm going with the jewels because I'm going to a party and the theme is gray, white, and red. Again, oh, sorry. So again, we're just gonna point the nail forward. I lightly push this back and then I place it, and if it looks straight, sometime it will kind of pop off. So it looks kind of straight to me, and then I will apply pressure. So again, pressure we're gonna do from the top, side to side, and then you can come down here and really tap it good. Now remember one thing, if based on your nail bed, if it's either too wide for you, then all you have to do is go back with that long file and lightly shape it right here, and it'll fit your nail bed a lot better. That's the great part about this kit, is that they give you so many different sizes. But sometimes if it's just a little bit bigger, honestly, the one that would have fit this finger really well was a gold one, but the whole theme of my party this week is gray and I don't want to mess that up. So I went for one that probably could have fit my middle finger a lot better, but it's simple enough. So I figure why not use it? And then I'll just go in here and lightly file it. Just like that. And look, it fits perfectly. Now, again, if you wear press-on, you could tell when the glue bonds, you could really feel it. And it feels like when you're wearing falsie lash, you could feel when the glue bonds onto the lashes. So now I'm gonna repeat it through all my nails, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. And then I'll also do a final review after the party, after traveling for the holidays, and I'll let you guys know if it actually hold up to the test. Smoother. So there you go, that's what it looks like. The jewels, this one seriously reminds me so much of Lady Gaga. It's crazy, but it's actually not bad. So you got matte, you got a little bit of jewel and some gold, and you got all sparkles and jewels. And then again, back to something simple and matte again. I think this will go really well with the outfit that I'm gonna wear for the party. Also, it's just a clean, simple look, because I think when you're going with so much rhinestone, having the base color be a little bit more simple keeps it still fun, but not outrageous. So I hope you guys like it. As you can see, it's so simple to install on, and I'll touch base with you guys at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, so this is what the set looks like after I apply it on. This is about 3 weeks now, and let me go a little in depth about this because it didn't actually last me a full 3 weeks. What happened was, once I had this on the first week, it was amazing. I wore it to so many events, got a lot of compliments. It does get in the way when I'm working, especially like the middle finger, all these rhinestones and all the other little rhinestone. It's just really heavy on the nail bed. I could actually feel the heaviness of the set. Also, what drove me insane was every time I would put my hand through my hair to put it in a bun or to tie it up, the stone would actually get caught into my hair. So when I felt that right away, I already knew this wasn't one of those sets that you wear for 2 to 3 weeks and it's gonna be perfect. It isn't, because about a week and a half into it, one of the rhinestone popped off, which you barely could tell. but I look at my nails and I could tell, but most of the audience or people wouldn't even be able to notice it. The other issue that I ran into is because of all the rhinestone, I believe the nail set is a little heavier. Also, the length is a little bit longer. I don't know if you can see underneath there. When I'm typing and I'm working with children and working with my kids, it's too hard. I think it's one of those sets that it's just so much fun to wear to the club, or if you're in your 20s and you're going to school and you're just having a good time, you can't go wrong. In your 40s with kids and stuff like that, I just feel like this isn't something like I could wear every day. It wouldn't go with the outfits that I wear on a typical day, but I would say this is a fun set to wear, and that's the reason why I got it. I wanted to wear something for one of our holiday parties, so I figure why not explore out, and I'm glad I did because I learned a lot from this set. Beautiful set. You can't go wrong. It's $7, but go with an open mind that it's not going to last you forever. If you like a lot of details and fun nail set, Jewel Fantasy is going to be your thing. It's just not for me. I don't care for the jewels all over the place. But in pictures, they look so amazing. I got so many people giving me compliments, not realizing they were press-on. And I actually end up going out and getting so many sets just to give out to friends and family, because a lot of them honestly still don't believe that I wear press-on nails. It's the craziest thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.